back, friends. In the previous videos, we have completed almost all the things related to latency. So in today's video, we are going to see one numerical problem related to latency. So in this problem, we are going to find the overall latency of any application. How we can find the overall latency of any application. So let us suppose that there is an application which has 5,000 requests on an average. This application gets 5,000 requests, and application has a capacity to handle 5 requests simultaneously. 5 requests simultaneously. Okay, it means application only handle 5 requests parallelly, and the request take total round trip time is is 10 milliseconds. So what is the overall latency of an application? So how we solve this question? Where we have the request number that it receive 5,000 requests, it only handle 5 requests at a time, and round trip time of each of the requests is 10 milliseconds. So we can solve this question by this way: 5,000 requests, it handle 5 requests at a time. So totally 1000 into one request time, to total 10,000 millisecond, which is equal to 10 seconds. So overall latency of this application is 10 seconds. So how we calculate this question? Answer: overall latency is equal to total latency upon parallel handle request, or simultaneously how many requests the application handle, and multiply by the round trip time of each request. So by this way, 5,000 divided by 5 into 1,000 is equal to into 10 is equal to 10,000 millisecond, which is equal to 10 seconds. So by this way we can solve the question of a latency related question. In many time this type of question will be asked to find the overall latency of any application, or if you build any application and wanted to find the overall latency of your application, you can easily find by this way. So I hope you understand the question. We will meet in the next video.